create a special offer. These are the requirements of the client. Here we have a real hotel that has, for example, a double room superior, and the price is 157 per night, 157, and then he wants a fixed price of 190. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the product rate plans, and then we're going to add the description, and then let's say book wellness offer, superior room, like this. And then here there was the requirement to add a description. Here comes description and more details. Here it's detailed description for each offer so that the guest can see exactly what is included. So here it's the rate that we will add. We don't add this on a room level because then it will apply to all the rooms and all the rate plans, but this is exactly for this offer. So we have to go to the settings. Okay, we have to select the room, superior room. This is the one. If there's breakfast or no breakfast included, you can add, let's see, breakfast is included. And then we have to say, okay, this product is a package. We can tick this one so we know it is an offer package. And then we will play with the price. So we have the room calendar, and then we will go for a night price. So this is per night. So we have to say 190. And then what we need to do to make these settings, what we need to do is to go to restrictions, and then we say this offer is valid for 3 nights, maximum and minimum 3 nights, like this. We will do it like this. Guests can book anytime. Validity. So here's the validity period, and here you add the blackout periods when it's not the offer not available. So you can see when it's not available here, this period, and then to which channels is connected. So we're going to go with for the booking engine, and we are going to save the offer. So we need to put the English description also. This is missing. Now it's in German. Let's put the English and save. Okay, so we have created this offer. You see it's a package. And now we go to distribution, booking engine. Inside booking engine, we're going to go to URL. And then we go to specific URL, deselect all. And then we are going to take this one and then copy. We see it has the product code, so the offer is valid for this specific room. So we can see that's not valid, and then let's see when it's valid. So you can see it's a package offer, arrangement also called, and then here is the room description. So here we don't edit this, we cannot edit this. So what we have edited is here. Here it comes description. Here you can put all the description you want, or also here to add it a bit to make it more visible. And this is the price per night. So we say minimum 3 nights to be able to book this offer. So what you want also, it's an extra night should be bookable also at a fixed price. This requirement we cannot do exactly like this. You should work with the minimum stay. So you will take this this URL and put it inside the website, whatever you want in the offer section that it's needed. You just integrate it here, for example, or in other places. Or here, book now this offer. So that's the way to do it. What we can do with this extra night at a fixed price, we can do a trick. We can go here and duplicate this offer. We can rename it like this. You can go and say book 2 nights and receive 1 for free, for example. We can do like this. That's the description. You can add here as much text as you want, and you can also edit and make it more visible. Like this. And then what you can do is you can play with the price, and you say, okay, the price is under 60, or you need to calculate it to see, and then you need to put minimum stay. Let's see, book 2 nights, that's 3 nights in total. Book 3 nights and receive 1 for free, for example. That's 4 nights. So you have the offer for 4 nights. And then what you need to do, it's minimum 4, maximum 4. You need to put the channels again, the booking engine and validity, and also the blackout. You can work with the blackout. Update and close. And then we need again the URL for the specific booking engine, URL, specific URL, like this. You have to do the mapping, let's see. That's the one, yeah, we need to map this. And then now we go to URL, specific URL. We need to make a refresh. Okay, we go back to the system, specific URL, and now we can see the offer. So you can combine both offers or just one. So you have the IDs here on top, open new tab. So we can see that's not available. And we have the offer for the standard offer, and then we want the one for 4 nights, like this. And you get this special offer. So that's the way to do it extra night. That's a trick to use to make the extra night bookable. They are seeing the availability. They select the desired period. We see the blackout dates when not available. So you can put it into your section, book now, book hiking offer, and you match it with the URLs like I give you, like this. Blackout periods, yes, you can enter the blackout periods. I showed you already where to do it inside product rate plans. And then you have this section, validity and blackout period. In addition, blackout, yeah, in addition, detailed description, yes, detailed description is added, like I said, it's in here. That's the detailed description, and that's how it looks like. Let's check. Here, you can see everything is down below here. That's all the details that you need, and also you can play with the title to see how the title to make it more appealing. And you have title and description of the rate plan that you want. So that's how it looks, and that's the way it is. That's also the limitations that we have. We don't have any other view or any other design. We will enhance this in the next months, but for now we have the room, and you have the offer with this label that says it's an offer, and the guest can book it here. And you play with the specific URL from the booking engine to get access just to the IDs that you need. So you can just match and mix or not as you want. So that's the way the system it works for offers. Enjoy it and be in touch soon. Take care.